This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, hi. So today we'll see what is Salesforce Designer Certification Maintenance. Got it. So here we have two modules, right? So these two modules are the like object. Okay, so like a quiz. Okay, so we don't have any scenario. Okay, so hands-on practice a scenario. Okay, so we are going to see the first one is what learn what's new with the data and integration for winter 21. And here so new access and environments for the winter 21. Okay, so total they allocated 20 minutes to us. Let's see, the first one is what, the first one, so click on this arrow, right? So in this unit, okay, so what we are going to learn, okay, so describe the increase in limits to bulk request, right? So whenever requesting some bulk request, so how to increase the time limit and everything. Like, so describe the changes for the so querying the data from the Salesforce big objects, right? So explain how to secure the cross cloud integration with the so private connect, right? So let's see how many questions we have. Mm, so total we have only three. Okay, so let's see the first one. A company needs automatically upset between 4.1 to 5.1 million cases every other day. So what implementation should Salesforce architect recommended to meet these requirement? So we have schedule the case upset every other day using data loader, and schedule a case upset every other day using the data import wizard. Like to schedule external service every day by using a bulk API 2.0 and here REST API. Let's see. So Winter 21 introduces some important changes in bulk API 2.0. See here, increase the 200 million to the 150 millions per day. So here our requirement is 4.5. So means what? Obviously that is so bulk API 2.0, right? Next, an architect has developed a custom application that uses bulk 2.0 to extract data from the one day Salesforce org. The data from the new object, the phone book needs to include as well. How should the architect meet this new requirement? Second one, okay, let's see. See, update existing custom application to extract surprise book. Okay. Next, coming to the what should the Salesforce architect recommend to secure traffic between Salesforce organ AWS, Amazon Web Services. Okay, set up is a private connect with the AWS virtual private cloud. This one, right? Okay, so let me check. So here, yes, I got it. Okay, so we completed the first part. So first unit is completed. So let's move to the second unit. So second unit, so here, so what's new with the access and environments for the winter 21. Okay, so describes how to group up permission sets based on the job functions. Explain how to mute the permission set. Explain how to Salesforce data masks. Describe how to clone the sandbox on different version than production. Oh, nice. Okay, select a signing algorithm to HTML, request and response. How many questions are they given to us? Okay, so they given 5 questions. Okay, so let's see. A corporation is growing its service departments from 100 to 300. Each service user have 5 different permissions set assigned to them. So what should an architect recommend to facilitate the assignments of the permissions to improve the new employees. Mm, so create a permission set group that includes 5 permission set assigned to all 300 users. Assign each individual permission set to the 200 users. So create a new service profile existing permission set for each user. Okay, so that is first one. So create a permission set of the group, right? Then coming to the second one, service managers and service representatives ask different permission set groups on PSGs. So both PSGs contains the permission set survey creator. So what should an architect recommended if they no longer want to service represent to delete the survey? Right. No longer want to service plus to delete the survey means so obviously we need to mute, right? See here, so create a muting permission set to such that there is capability to assign its survey response speech, right? How to mute yourself to this one. Next one is what a security department requests that all personal identification information PI and tool service sandbox are observed. There are 13 million records with CPA affected. What should a Salesforce architect recommended to meet these new security requirements? Uh, okay, let's see. Secure database with mask. Salesforce mask is powerful data visuals. So you should manually secure data and access for sandbox. Organization can use the mask automatically data into the boxes. Let's see what are the options here we have. So refresh, extract, okay. Extra production through the external process, mask, refresh. Okay, so we can use D. Next one is what a company is preferring for the new Salesforce release and wants to start a training its users on the new features at the build production. So what can a Salesforce architect recommended in order to quickly give the users access to the new preview instance? So create a new sandbox cloning the previous instance, create a new branch cloning the production. That is instance, no? So by instance, right? Then after, so when Salesforce is configured as an identity provider, when Salesforce is configured as the identity provider, so what can be applied secure its so measures to the service provider. Sign-in algorithm, encryption, security certifications. Okay, let's see. The sign-in algorithm secures ML messages transfer as the identity provider applies. Okay. We can go for the sign-in algorithm. Right. Then click on and yes. Okay, the task is completed, right? So we completed a Salesforce designer certification maintenance also. Okay, so thanks for watching. So please subscribe for the more videos related to the Salesforce super batch.